Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Idham and here I am going to explain about AI learning English. I am from fourth semester, and this video is meant to be a final exam for curriculum and material development. Let's start. First, uh, here's the table content that I'm going to explain to you. That first we have to understand what's the meaning of AI and how to use AI as English learning. Three, we have try AI for English learning, and fourth is the conclusion. So before we know how to use AI for English learning, we have to understand the advantages and the disadvantages and the other problem with the AI. And after that, we are going to explain. I am going to explain how to use AI as English learning. Yeah, and we are not just to explain it, but we are going to try it as well. And after that, the conclusion. We are going to discuss about the conclusion. Next, what is AI? AI is artificial intelligence, is the simulation of human intelligence processed by machine, especially computer system. So basically, human put their thinking to the machines as one, and then the machine is processed what human already give uh, the information is about. Specific application of AI include expert system, natural language processing, speech recognition, and machine vision. We are going to learn about English, so natural language processing and speech recognition is the one that we are going to use the most in this English AI learning. So AI system work by ingesting large amount of label training data. So this is what I was talking about, that human put their information, the data to the AI for to machine that's process that anything we ask going to there. It's only repetition after for a while, human can put another data to improve the AI. AI is analyzing the data for correlation and the patterns. Like I said, the pattern is going to be same repetition until the humans put their data on the AI. Uh, and using this pattern to use make prediction about future states. Uh, Basically, AI is not 100% correct because the data is from human also, and the AI can be what is it, like wrong about one or two system until the humans put more data to more specific uh, correlation about the question that we ask to the system, the machines. Okay. So next we are going to talk about the advantages and disadvantages. So the advantages is range from streamlining, saving time, eliminating biases, and automating repetitive tasks, just to name a few. Uh, so Okay, so the range from streamlining. Streamlining is the work of the invoicing clients by ensuring the steps in the process. So if you ask ChatGPT for the how to uh, how to make a cake, uh, ChatGPT will use the streamlining. For example, you are in need pour some sugar on it, pour some better and mix it the streamlining its correlation and saving time. Again, AI is very good for any learning English, and not just learning English but anything. It is, for example, if you want to correct grammar, you write the script, the essay, and then you put it in Grammarly that we are going to use after I'm going to explain it. After we put it Grammarly, that Grammarly will correct it by any only 5 seconds to 10 seconds. It's really easy. Also, it is eliminating the biases. For example, if we asking somebody that how to make present tense, is present tense is subject verb one plus object, but the other person we are going to use are going to explain by another thing. For example, subject verb two and object. It's bias. It's because there is two explanation that we are process we are got from another persons. That's the biases. So we are going after we use AI will only answer one answer. It's the same answer. And automating repetitive tasks. For example, if your friend using AI, asking about AI, about present tense, for example, it's going to be repetitive. Subject versus plus verb, one plus object. And you are going to use about AI too and learning English by asking about the present tense is going to be the same. It is just a repetitive task that AI answer it. Also, that's how AI eliminating the biases too. Okay. Next, the disadvantages are things like costly implementation, potential human job loss, and lack of emotion and creativity. Again, Uh, think about the costly implementation. Indonesia is not very growth city like Singapore. In the schools, we don't have so much technology that AI can use, but uh, if we use single phone, it's actually probably very cheap. We can use the AI, but some websites, namely like Grammarly, if you want to use it more specific, more usage than usual, you have to buy it about $5 USD uh, to $30, I think. It is very costly because $1 USD is about 14,000 rupiah, I guess. Yeah. So it is potential human job loss. Uh, namely like for example, graphic designer. Graphic designer will be replaced by AI. In Adobe Photoshop, you can use AI now to correct the photo that you are going to erase or you edit. Yeah, that is potential human job loss. And lack of emotion and creativity. What I mean here, because we are going to learn about something, we have to know the emotion and the creativity. You can just put the words by words if you don't have creativity. For example, in the essay, you are going to use so many words. Yeah, you have to put it in the creative. Yeah. Also, lack of emotion. For example, in English learning, we are going to express gratitude. You have to know how to express gratitude. But for example, thank you so much. This is very good. You have to know the emotion. You have to be happy. But if you are learning with AI, it is lack of emotion. AI only will say, thank you so much. Thanks for this giving or something like that. Yeah. Next, how to use AI as English learning. Here are examples for how to learn using AI. First, we have chat box. Chat box. I'm sorry, chatbot. Chatbot. Yeah, chatbot. Chatbot. For example, Talkbot AI. Talkbot AI. To learn English. This how to use AI as learning English. First, we have chatbot. Chatbot. What is chatbot? Chatbot is how do you spell how to increase to sharpen your writing skills. For example, you are going to say um, good morning, how do you do to someone. We can use chatbot to understand the answer and the how to correctly to say something like that. Okay. Second, there is grammar correction. What is grammar correction? For example, if you are going to use AI uh, for essay, just say that second is grammar correction. If you use AI for essay and you are biased to and don't are not sure if that your grammar is correct or not, you can use Grammarly. Grammarly is for correct correct your grammar. Yeah. So you are going to Grammarly to sure that your grammar is right. Yeah. And then as dictionary and spell checker. For example, Duolingo. If you use Duolingo, there is also like good morning. Good morning is right or not? And then there is, for example, in Duolingo, there is I am a man. That you have to put it I am a man. You have to put it right to clear it. Okay, we are going to use it now. First, we have Talkball AI. This this is Talkball AI. Talkball is GPT-powered AI language tutor. Chat about unlimited amount of interesting topics, either by writing or speaking, while receiving messages with realistic voice. See, uh, Talkball AI is included listening, speaking, reading, and writing. All of it is on Talkball AI. Which language do you want to learn? It's not just English, it is Spanish, French, Italian, German, Ukrainian, and etc. But we are going to use English learning now. So we choose English. We click English. Let's wait a bit. Okay, this this is the pricing plans. Like I said, there is very the cost of the using AI is very pricing. You know, like this for Uh, only $5 per month for this unlimited usage. It's free role plays, personalized conversation, message translation, bottom mode, and spam voice. Can cancel anytime. This is the advantages that you got if you pay. But if you use it free, only 5 minutes daily limits. It is not ad free, it is not roleplay, it's not personal conversation, message translation, and advanced voice. If you don't have the account, you can create account. Create account, sign up. I already have the account, so we are going to use login here. Click login here. Okay, this is the inside of the Talk for AI. This is the AI, is Emma. Hey, I'm Emma, your personal AI language teacher. Ask me anything or click on topic below. You can choose fun, interesting, and you decide. For example, you are going to type hello. The AI is going to process your typing.
Hello, I'm Emma, your English teacher from TalkPal. It's great to meet you. How can I help you today?
See, and we are got the feedback too. Feedback is hello. Hello is right, not using W. Hello. But my message is look good. Yeah. For example, can you give me example of present tense? For example, present tense. Oh, I forgot the question mark. It's supposed to be
Certainly. Here's an
question mark.
example of a
See,
sentence using the present tense. She works at a
can you give me
hospital.
an
In this
example
sentence, the verb
of the present
works
tense
shows an
using
action that is happening in the
yeah.
present. The subject, she, refers to a specific person, and the verb, works, agrees with it. The word at indicates where she carries out the action of working, which is a hospital in this case. This sentence describes a current situation or a regular activity in the present. Can you think of a different sentence using the present tense?
See, that is the answer of the AI. If you are going to ask the same question, for example, we copy paste here. AI is thinking.
Of course. Here's an example of a present tense sentence. I love to read books. In this sentence, the verb, love, indicates an action that is happening in the present. The subject, I apologize if I've done something wrong. Please let
You
me
can
know how I
stop
can
it.
assist you further or if there's something specific you'd like to discuss. Is there a particular topic or question you would like to explore in our conversation?
Yeah. The answer of it is repetition. It's basically the same. Okay. For speaking, you can choose the microphone right here. Just click it and hello Emma, I love you, for example. And the website is thinking, nice.
Hello! It's great to hear that you're enjoying our conversation. However, as an AI language model, I don't have personal emotions or the capacity to form relationships. My purpose is to assist you in learning English. Is there anything specific you'd like to discuss or practice in English? Let's continue our conversation with an open-ended question. What is one hobby or activity that you enjoy doing in your free time?
AI is lack of emotion. She answered it here. I don't have personal emotion or the capacity to form relationship. AI is emotionless. The conclusion, AI can be helpful in learning English because it provides speaking, writing, reading, and listening. just need to find the right website. For example, Duolingo, Talk for AI, and then Grammarly. You can use it by yourself after this. And then ChatGPT. If you are not uh, falsely use it, it is really helpful to learn English. Okay, that's it from me. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.